Hello, Arlington Democrats. I am so grateful for your time and for your past support. I'm asking Virginians to, again, support me as Attorney General because I believe that the Office of Attorney General and the law can be tools to take on powerful special interests and protect equal rights and opportunities for all Virginians. I've been fighting for justice, equality, and opportunity for all Virginians since I first took office. I broke the stranglehold that Republicans like Ken Cuccinelli had on this job and the office, and I totally transformed it into a progressive powerhouse. I went into court and fought for marriage equality and won. Made sure Dreamers could get an equal education in Virginia. Led on criminal justice reform. Created the first ever Office of Civil Rights in the Attorney General's office. Won landmark lawsuits to remove symbols of Confederate propaganda. Led the first ever investigation into racial bias in a Virginia school system, and I eliminated Virginia's rape kit backlog, something only 6 states have been able to do. And so much of the work over the last few years has been about protecting the very democracy our country was founded on and fighting back against the Trump agenda. I sued Trump over his racist and un-American Muslim ban and won. Sued to protect DACA and won. Went all the way to the Supreme Court to protect the Affordable Care Act, not once, but twice. I fought in court to protect reproductive rights and a woman's right to choose, and we have to keep this progress in Virginia going. My priorities for the next term can be put into 3 buckets: racial justice and policing reform, health, safety, and well-being, and workers' rights. On racial justice and policing reform, I want to fight discrimination through our new Office of Civil Rights and conduct pattern and practice investigations of law enforcement agencies to identify and put a stop to unconstitutional practices. I want to fight for full marijuana legalization and easier pathways to record expungement. To ensure the health and safety of all Virginians, I'll successfully defend legal challenges to new progressive laws like the Virginia Values Act and gun safety measures like the One Gun a Month law, the Red Flag law, and expanded background checks. And on workers' rights, my just announced Worker Protection Unit represents a new chapter in the fight to make Virginia a fair place for workers to live and raise their families. We've got a lot of work ahead of us to make it through and recover from the worst health crisis in a century. There are a lot of people who are hurting, and I'm asking again for your support as Attorney General, the people's lawyer, protecting and expanding the rights of all Virginians. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the campaign trail.